Namaste, welcome to the fortnightly news edition of Vidyashree High School. I am Chaitra from grade 8B. Let us look at the campus events starting from 1st September to 15th September. To start with, we had an English language activity on silent words for grade 4, in which students were asked to pick up a word which contains a silent letter and were made to read aloud. Children had fun while saying the words. Kannada language activity on letter identification was conducted for our tiny tots of Prep 2. Children were given the Kannada letters each and were asked to go around the circle placed down. The teacher called out a letter and the kids with the same letter raised their hands. Children enjoyed the fun game. Along with this, there was a sensorial activity on mixing primary colors to form a new color. Kids were surprised to see the new colors. A parents' meeting for grade 9th and 10th was scheduled to update the list of candidate documents for the AISSC board. Parents of both the grades had actively participated. English language activity for grade 1 was conducted on opposites, singular and plural. Children demonstrated their willingness to know more and more as these activities were conducted using the materials which they see in their daily routine. Teachers' Day in School is a special occasion dedicated to celebrating and appreciating teachers for their hard work, dedication and contribution to education. It is observed on 5th September or every year, commemorating the birth anniversary of Sri Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. We at Vidyashree also celebrated the Teachers' Day, paying reverence to our teachers and educators. Grade 7 had Hindi language activity on Bharat Ki Tyohar, in which students were divided into small groups. Each group spoke about different festivals of India such as Dussehra, Deepavali, Ganesha Chaturthi, Holi and also about few regional festivals. Children had prepared colorful charts depicting the festivals of India. Traffic awareness program by Sri Yogesh ST, Police Inspector, Kamakshi Palya Traffic Police Station, was held on 13 September to create the traffic awareness amongst the teenagers. The session was very informative. The officers answered all the queries raised by the audience. Ganesha festival is a time for joy, unity and devotion, bringing together families and communities in celebration of faith, culture and tradition. We at Vidyashree School also celebrated Vidya Ganapati in the campus on 13 September. The Ganesha idol was decorated with lot of colorful flowers brought by the students. Puja was performed and procession of Lord Ganesha was arranged in the campus. Children sang few devotional songs on Lord Ganesha and the idol was immersed in the nearby lake on the same day. Grade 10 had a counseling session conducted on 14 September by Kiran Kumar Sidde, founder EduShrine. The session was on learning out of love. Students were very enthusiastic to learn new methods and techniques of studying. The speaker grabbed the attention of the students by making the workshop interactive with few fun learning activities. The workshop was very informative and many such sessions will be conducted in the near future. Information technology practical exams are an essential part of IT education, designed to access students' hands-on skills and understanding of various technologies, tools and programming languages. IT practical for midterm exams were held for grade 10. The students were very curious to take the exams. A parents-teacher meeting from nursery to grade 10th was held on 14 September. PTM is an essential aspect of school communication that allows teachers and parents to discuss progress, challenges and overall development of students. It is typically held at regular intervals throughout the academic year, and the goal is to foster collaboration between parents and teachers to support the student growth both academically and personally. Hindi Divas is celebrated annually on September 14th to mark the adoption of Hindi as one of the official language of India by the Constituent Assembly in 1949. The day is observed to promote the use of Hindi and to celebrate its rich culture and linguistic heritage. We at Vidyashree celebrated the Hindi Divas on 17 September along with the morning assembly. Children from different grades participated in various cultural activities such as dance, drama, skit, poem recitation and so on. Program was very informative and children had fun. That's all for this fortnight. Thank you for watching. Our next fortnightly news edition will be after the Dasra vacation. Remember to check our website and follow us on social media for more updates. Have a great day ahead. This is Chaitra signing off from Vidyashree High School.